Good morning, everyone. Today's topic Sustainable Development Goals. First of all, I tell about you the Sustainable Development Goals. The Sustainable Development Goals, also known as the Global Goals, were adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015 as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy peace and prosperity by 2030. The Sustainable Development Goals are a collection of 17 global goals designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. The SDGs set in 2015 by the United Nations General Assembly and intended to be achieved by the year 2030 are part of UN Resolution 70/1, the 2030 Agenda. The 17 SDGs are broad and interdependent. Each of the SDGs has a list of targets which are measured with indicator. See list of SDG target and indicators. The year by which the target is meant to be achieved varies between the year 2020 or 2030. Our no end date is given. There are a total of 169 targets for the SDGs. Each SDG has between 5 to 20 targets. Each of these targets has 1 2 or 3 indicators to measure progress towards reaching the target. SDG goals: first, no poverty; second, zero hunger; third, good health and well-being; four, quality education; five, gender equality; six, clean water and sanitization; seven, affordable and clean energy; decent work; eight, economic growth; nine, industry, innovation and infrastructure; 10, reduced inequalities, sustainabilities; 11, sustainabilities and communities; 12, responsible composition and production; 13, climate action; 14, life below water; 15, life on land; 16, peace, justice and strong institutions; 17, partnership for the goals. Five pillars of the SDGs: peace, people, planet, partnership, pros- prosperity. Major agreement and conventions. First, Millennium Declaration and Summit. Third, International Conference on Small Island Developing States. United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development. International Conference on Financing for Development. World Summit on Sustainable Development. Earth Summit plus 5. Benefit of global goals. First, complement international conventions and other tools of international law which promote integrated thinking on finding solution to challenge for SD. Foster collaboration across countries and helps guide the public understanding of complex challenges. Unite the global communities to mobilize all stakeholders to come together for a common purpose around us. inspire action towards sustainable development. Government academia partnership for the SDGs. Government policy makers need research evidence for making informed decision on harnessing resources, growth and development of country. Academia research produce evidence from scientific investigation which demand funding and resources. Sustainability dimensions of the SDGs: environmental sustainability, social sustainability, economic sustainability, and reference last. Thank you.